Hello everyone and welcome to our AI project. This project consists of three sections which will be explained by my team and I. The first section will be introduced by me, Nuruddin Mustafa, and my friend Muhammad Ilyas Yamin. The second section will be for Muhib Nabil, who is responsible of building AI powered game, and the third section will be for Zakaria Adam, who will talk about the emerging of AI applications. So we're gonna start now with the first section about building an AI tool, a smart tutor AI, which is an idea and a concept about personalized learning with artificial intelligence. As we know, many students are different. They have different capabilities and talents, and some of them in the field of education or in another fields, they need some students, they need a long time to learn and educate themselves, whether another group of students may learn slowly and they need more time and focus. So by creating this AI tool, it will help the students according to their personal capabilities that adapts to each student's pace and style, which will help them in their academic achievements as well as in the real life problems. So if you want to explain more about the problems that could be combined by many universities or schools, we can say that classrooms often use one-size-fits-all teaching, which is a system which is a little bit traditional for the modern world, and it's demanding. So we need a platform or a tool that help the students to give them personal support and to meet their personal needs. We can see here in this point, students have different learning needs but get the same lessons. We need to make that different in a way that make the students more focused and help them to achieve according to their capabilities and the time they need to track and back up with the lessons that they get from their university. So now we are to explain how this AI tool can be beneficial for the students and how it works. First, one of the qualities that this AI tool can result is to track the performance and adapt lessons. So as we said, every student has his own capabilities. So some students will be so quick to learn and some students will be slow. And with this gap in learning, it will create some frustration between the students. And the best solution for this is the tool that can track with the student and go with him and help him in his lesson and what he should do first and what he needs as essential and what he needs to proceed his learning journey. It can also answer the questions using natural language. Now, answers questions using natural language, and this language will be different according to the students who are using the AI tool, which is, for example, the language of his school or the platform that he's learning from, and it can also recommend next topics according to his level of understanding and to which extent he understood and involved in the lessons. The final one is detects confusion or frustration. In case of the students, sometimes they face some psychological problems of frustration or confusion or needing to repeat more lessons. This AI tool will adapt for them to meet their needs and to provide them with the encouraging maybe or support or tell them like advices they can do in a daily basis that could enhance their mood and their creativity in their academic constitution.
Hello guys, this is Muhammad Ilyas Yamin, and I will continue the section 1 part. As my friends mentioned, me and you will be in one part. So I will tell you now how the Smart Tutor AI will work. In simple terms, I can tell you that a smart AI tool is like a personal tutor powered by artificial intelligence. So it can track performance and adapt lessons, and also it can answer questions using natural language, and also recommend new topics for the students and detects confusion or frustration. As my friends told you, it contracts the performance on the activation of the students, how they can study, how they want to study, how maybe the level are they right now, and also it can answer the student questions, like say in their native language, and also it can help the students the problems of can solve the problems of students in each part, and let's say natural if they have a question about their lecture or something, it can also directly answer the questions. So it can also another feature of it can recommend the new topics for the students, like say the new topics, it will tell the students that your next topic will be this, and you can do this for to be maybe more motivated in this topic. And also it can decrease the frustration or maybe some confusion from the students, because some of the students they think that maybe this topic will be hard for us, so this AI can help them to detect this, to decrease this, and the way of helping them and giving some new information about these topics with them. Now, what the problem it solves? I will tell you what the problem solves. It can solve the lack of personalized learning using AI techniques like classification, recommendation, NLP, which is something I will tell you right now, and semantic analysis. So, the main issue that these students are learning in a way that fits them. Teachers try their best, but it's not elastic to the tolerated lessons for 30 plus students in one class. Like I say, the teacher will do his best or her best to teach the students, but the students cannot control and cannot catch the lessons as they want. So, a smart tutor can help them by giving students learning experience that they just right from them, and at their level. Like say, maybe some students want to learn more and some students want to learn less. So as their level, this AI tool can help the students. Classification, it means that this AI can figure out the learning style and the learning skill level of a student. And the recommendation part, the AI can suggest some useful materials and some maybe quizzes and practice questions. NLP, which is the natural language processing, the students can ask questions in English and plan in English or something, some other languages of the students. Semantic analysis to check the students' feeling, like if they are good, if they're feeling good, or if they're feeling happy, or they're feeling frustrated on the lessons. So this AI can figure out, and this AI can check the feeling of the students. Now you will see what makes this AI smart. A smart tutor adapts in real time, and it can do. Let's say a student struggle with his lessons or in word problems. It can switch to showing step-by-step visual levels to the student to control and to study on its level. Changes teaching method based on progress. So if this AI see that if this student is stuck in something, this can change the methods to the students. And it will build a very beautiful and personalized profile for the students. How it improves education? Students learn at their own pace. learn at what the level they want, learn at the things that they want. Like say they will walk on their own street. The teachers can focus on those students who need help, who need more focus on their lessons. The schools can improve education quality by using this AI, and this maybe makes the schools like more qualified and more materialistics. And it also supports the SDG 4, and it's good. It will help the quality of education in the world. So let's say why it's different. Unlikely, it's regular app like a smart tutor. It's adjusted to the students' emotions, and it will show us the emotions and the feelings of students. Combine multiple AI tools, like we are using the AIs to using the students on their education and helping the students on their education and solve their problems and make their own way of lessons and for the students. Like it also feels like a real tutor, and no one maybe feeling that it might be an AI, but they feel that it's like a tutor that they are controlling the students. So as a conclusion, we can say that AI, smart tutor AI addresses one size fits all the teaching, and also offering personalized support for better learning outcomes and can help students anywhere and successfully.
Uh, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to present my part, which is section 2 for our game. For this project. So first of all, my name is Muhyin Nabil Ali Hussein. I'm from Yemen, and my part is for presenting the Python game that we made it with our group. So first of all, I'm going to show you first the code, and then I'm going to explain how the code is going to work. And this is our slide that I'm going to present it to you, inshallah. So first of all, and this is the game that we made it with me and our group together. We developed it, and the code is running. And the game is about the game which is rock, paper, and scissors. So we develop a game that it works with the AI, or it play against the AI by using the pie game. So first of all, I'm going to run the code. Let's see if the code is functional or not. Okay, right. All right, this is the game. So here in the screen we have the item that is showing us. Here the score for the player and the AI score and the round that we are going to play. And when we are playing the game, we have choices that we are going to choose. R is for the rock, P for the paper, and C for the Caesar, or H for to get a hint from the AI. So, first of all, H it's the feature that we are implementing in the code. So this feature it works based on your choices that you chose before. So now I will show you how the game is going to work. So we have here also the time left that it show you the time that you are going to play. Here I'm going to choose the rock, and you choose the rock. I choose paper. You lose. So when I choose the rock, is that I get lose because I choose the paper. So I'm going to choose now paper. Okay, the game over. AI has learned your stuff. So when the game is finished, it's mean that AI like defeat me or he win. So I'm going to play again to show you more. So I'm going to choose now rock. So the AI choose Caesar, so I win. So I will choose now Caesar. You choose Caesar, I choose paper. I choose Caesar, I choose paper. He loses and I win. So now I'm going to choose paper. You choose paper, AI choose Caesar and I lost. So now I will get help by the AI feature that I made it in. Yeah. So AI suggests to me to play Caesar. I'm going to play Caesar, which is AI choose rock and you lose. So the last is I'm going to choose rock. Okay. Here when I choose the rock, when I choose the rock, the game is end. So game over. Victory. You have estimated the machine. So press T to play five more rounds. So here, we developed the game to play it 5 times. So I went through the AI, went two, so I defeat the AI. So here in the code, we are implementing so many things. Okay, here we import random. So the choices that you are going to choose it. Also here the pie game. So because we develop our game based on this. So import styles. So this is that we imported to get benefit from the library. So here the code, we develop the code and we like AI hand takes here. So the game variable here, the player score is the variable that we made it. Here is like the move that you are going to choose. Also here, help function to display text. Here make a function to get help to display the text in the screen. Also here to get suggestions based on the player history. So we implement a function so that we get help from it. So to based on our choices that based on our choices that we choose it, so the AI going to help us. Or here is the game loop, running time true, while running screen title white. So this is the if condition, else condition also, and this is the loop for the game. So this is to end the loop. Okay, same loop. Or we we choose like in the loop. So in the loop for the game, so we prefer to choose if condition. So this is why we choose like if condition. Also now I'm going to like to go quickly because we are running out of time. So here rock paper scissor mindset later we come to Python developer and as I said we develop the Python based on the Pygame and we implementing a feature inside the loop. So introduction uh, classes we have AI power hints Python game, but that we based on it we develop that game. So the object that we aim to choose engaging time, AI logic, core, concept, feature, rich. Also key features. So the key features here we implement in the game, enhancing the gameplay. So we have like to make a round game. We have made five round game. So and 15 seconds for each round. I can say AI hand system. We implement AI hand system. So visual instruction. We are like the text that show to you in the screen. Score result. Track your result and see final result is if it's victory or defeated or draw. So how it works the game machine. So we play input, AI selection, result evaluation, winner announced. It's already clear in the instruction. AI hint logic predicting your move. Based on the like I say, we implement this function like based on your choices that you chose it. So you get help by the AI from these choices. So if you choose paper, and Caesar, the AI will take you to use rock because you didn't choose it. So again, you are designing visual like we implemented by game interface, key display, score message, color scheme like is the red color, yeah, and resolution. The game run on the script. So 715 pixel screen resolution. So challenging and solution over overcoming hurdle. So like is the time also dynamic hand generation around management and transition on display final result. Also conclusion, the plan for fun and learning, game mechanism, AI prediction, user expression experience, programming skill, feature that we implemented. So we like I want like to add me and group we like base like because we don't have more familiar skill in the coding. So like we want to implement audio and smart audio, but we couldn't because it's really hard to implement it. And smart AI we implemented it, expanded feature, expanded like to high score, low score, so multiple mode. So and this is for the section two, and I already explained the game, and I show you that the game is functional, and I hope you will enjoy it, and also you will understand what we have done. We already like working so many hours to make the code functional. So like because the time is short, so I couldn't explain the code in very detail. All right, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zakaria Adam Isaac, and I'm going to complete the last section, which is section 3. It's talking about emerging AI technologies, which is ChatGPT and generative AI. Exploring how generative AI is transforming industries in this era. All right. Introduction to AI generative. What is AI? Before that, let me tell something about generative AI. Includes tools like ChatGPT and Dale and Midjourney and more, used for tasks like translation, used for summarization, image generation, and also creative writing. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is internet-based AI that understands and generates text, analyze patterns in large database to perform tasks like writing and tutoring, and also translation and content creation as well. How ChatGPT works, let me tell you. Uses transformer architecture, which is, decoder only model. This model is used for, the work of ChatGPT. There's two phases in this: pre-training and also fine-tuning with RLHF to align with human preference. Understand ChatGPT's intelligence. Billions of parameters help detect tone intent, and context. Can write emails and assist with code, simulate conversations, and many more things. What are the risks and ethical concern in this section? There's like misinformation, which is may ChatGPT or Chat generative AI will do some kind of false in terms of content, and also privacy concern, which is related to risks for unintentionally producing sensitive information, and also job displacement, which is a very big concern to us in this era. Threat roles like writing services and data entry, and also bias can reflect to harmful bias for from training data. Future impact and education, customer services, and many more things. What is the AI role in future impact? Education. Let me start with education. Personalized learning, tutoring, but integrity concerns. All right. Customer services. In customer services, AI supports reduced cost and less emotional intelligence, which is AI don't have emotion. So like this is a big concern to some people, but for me, nothing. And also in future impact, there is media software development. All right. In media, there's fast content creation. There's some people just do fast, which is easy content creation, easy content to produce, and also, but it's also there's some kind of concern which is originally concern related to copyright issues, and also development helps with coding, debugging, and documentation. In conclusion, I'm going to say ChatGPT offers massive potential in many sectors, right? Must address misinformation, bias, and privacy to ensure responsible use. So there's the references that for OpenAI and TechReader 2025 and also ThoughtSpark. So this is the presentation that we provide to you. I hope you like the presentation. Thank you so much.